Hello, hello. Good morning. Once again, this is Kaprotas. Ito aking pagkain. Reheat chicken, reheat rice. At saka may dates. Yan. Saka ginger orange. Saka coke. Carrots and radish. Coke yan. Saka may tea. Yan. Okay. Let's eat, guys. Breakfast. Fresh. Hmm? Tamis. Sweet orange.